Hey guys, what's up? I'm Josh from Vmaker and this video is all about how you can turn your presentations into a video, also known as video presentations. So without further ado, let's get started. Presentation videos are great for visually communicating your ideas and thoughts as you explain them. There are two ways to create video presentation. The first way is to export your slides in MP4 format by defining the timestamp for each slide. The second way is to turn your presentation into a video by recording your screen using a screen recorder. The latter is where video presentations can make things a lot more interesting. In fact, creating a video presentation and having yourself appear on the video is the key to making your presentation stand out. Don't be scared. Creating a video presentation is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is create your presentation first and record your screen while presenting it with your voiceover. To do this, you need a powerful and robust screen recorder like Vmaker. With Vmaker, you can record your screen and webcam with your voiceover as you present your presentations. If you have created your presentation on Google Slides, you will be able to record your presentation using the Vmaker Chrome plugin. If you're using the PowerPoint presentation or any other standalone presentation software on your Mac, you can use the Vmaker Mac application. Here's how you can get started with Vmaker. Visit www.vmaker.com and sign up using your email address, Gmail, or social credentials. After signing up, you will be taken to the dashboard from where you can install the Vmaker Chrome plugin, and if you are a Mac user, you can download and install the Mac application as well. Once the plugin is installed, pin Vmaker to your extensions and launch the application. It's time to turn your presentations into a video now. Add a frame of your choice from the collection to make your video look quirky or purposeful. There are plenty of options for you to choose from. Open the presentation that you have created and start presenting. As you present, your screen, webcam, and voiceover will be recorded to create a high quality video. To make your presentation video engaging, you can also use the screen annotations and mouse emphasis feature like this. This will help your viewers to stay engaged and follow as you progress with your presentation. When you're done presenting, click on the stop recording button and your video will be automatically uploaded to the Vmaker cloud storage. You can access the video through your dashboard. Now comes the interesting part. Your video may not be perfect. Hiccups and mispronunciations are unavoidable. You can have them removed using the inbuilt editor on Vmaker. Just trim out the rough edges, and if you wish, you can also upload videos from your PC and merge them with your existing videos. This is powerful, isn't it? You can get your video to look just the way you want it. Once you're done, click on export, select the resolution you want the video to be rendered in and proceed. Your video will be rendered and available on your dashboard. From here, you can either download the video or share it directly using the social share features. You can also upload the video directly to YouTube or embed it on your website landing page. Here are a few tips to create video presentations. Don't stop if you go wrong. Continue recording. You can always edit the video instead of re-recording it. Make sure you record your face along with your presentation. This makes your video look personalized and engaging. Record your video in high resolution. Everyone loves HD videos now. Make sure you duplicate your recording before you start editing it. If the editing goes wrong, you will always have a backup. I hope this video was useful to you. Using Vmaker, you can turn your presentations into some amazing video presentations. I know you might have some questions. Feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. This is Josh signing off. Over and out.